In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We're focusing on resizing text in the Canva app in a way that's fast, precise, and easy to repeat across your designs. Start by launching the Canva app and opening the design you want to edit. Give it a second to load so everything appears correctly on your screen. Once your design is open, locate the text you want to adjust. Tap the text box to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the box highlighted with handles around it. This simply tells Canva which text you want to work with, so your changes apply to the right element. Now look at the bottom toolbar. Find the font size option. This is the one that shows a number, like 12, 24, or 48. That number is the current size of your text. Go ahead and tap it to open the font size menu. Think of this as your control center for how big or small your text appears. You have two easy ways to adjust. If you want a quick visual change, drag the slider left to make the text smaller or right to make it larger. Watch the text update in real time as you move the slider, and pause for a moment to see how it affects line breaks, spacing, and overall balance in your layout. If you need an exact size, for example, to match another text box or to follow a brand guideline, tap the number field and type the precise value you want. This is great for consistency, especially when you're aligning multiple text elements across different pages or posts. A small, incremental change can make a big difference, so take your time and adjust until it looks just right. When you're happy with the size, finalize the change by tapping anywhere outside the text box. This applies the new size and closes the controls so you can see your design without distractions. If something looks off, simply select the text again and repeat the process until you're satisfied. That's it. Open your design, tap the text you want, open the font size menu in the bottom toolbar, adjust with the slider or type a specific number, and tap outside the text box to apply. With these steps, you'll keep your typography clear, consistent, and on brand, whether you're designing a bold title or fine-tuning body copy. Thanks for watching, and keep refining those details. They're what make your design look polished and professional.